The primary central government scheme for sheep farming is the National Livestock Mission (NLM), which provides up to 50% capital subsidy, maximum rupees 50 lakhs for establishing sheep or goat breeding units. It targets entrepreneurs, FPOs, and SHGS to increase meat and wool production. Other support includes subsidized loans, insurance, and disease control, often implemented through state level agencies. Unlock the potential of sheep and goat breeding. National Livestock Mission (EDP) encourages entrepreneurs to set up breeding farms. Minimum parent stock 100, maximum subsidy rupees 50 lakhs. Empower your rural community by tapping into this opportunity. Key central government schemes: National Livestock Mission (NLM) Entrepreneurship Development Objective to encourage entrepreneurship in small ruminants, sheep or goat. Subsidy: 50% of the project cost, capital subsidy up to a maximum of rupees 50 lakhs. Target group: individuals, farmer producer organizations (FPOs), farmer cooperative societies (FCOs), self help groups (SHGS), and joint liability groups (JLGS). Unit size: subsidy is provided for units up to 500 female plus 25 male sheep or goats. How to apply? Applications can be submitted through the NLM Udyami Mitra portal. NLM Goat and Sheep Rearing Scheme rupees 50 lakhs subsidy. Animal Husbandry Infrastructure Development Fund AHIDF objective to incentivize infrastructure development for meat processing and value addition. Benefit: provides 3% interest subvention on loans for setting up projects. Usage: can be combined with NLM for large scale projects. Assistance to states for control of animal diseases ASCAD. Objective: focuses on vaccination against diseases like pests, ruminants, PPR, and brucellosis. Benefit: free or heavily subsidized vaccination services for sheep. National Livestock Mission Entrepreneurship Scheme. What benefits are offered? Capital support for growth. The scheme offers 50% capital subsidy for setting up eligible livestock and fodder units, subsidy caps. Sheep and goat 50 lakh, poultry 25 lakh, fodder 50 lakh, pig 30 lakh. Mobile veterinary units ESVHD objective: delivers veterinary services to the farmer's doorstep, including diagnosis and treatment. Key components of support: breed improvement, subsidies for establishing breeding farms to increase productivity, fodder development, assistance for establishing fodder blocks or silage making units. Insurance: livestock insurance is available under NLM to protect against animal mortality. Eligibility and requirements: training or experience. Applicants must have training, experience, or technical experts in sheep farming. Loan sanction. A bank sanctioned loan is required to claim the subsidy. Land. Sufficient land owned or leased is required. KYC. Relevant KYC documents. For more specific information on application procedures and guidelines, you can visit the official Department of Animal Husbandry and Dairying DAHD website.